Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to lecture 39 of the course on data structure and algorithm. So in today's lecture, we shall discuss about heap. So heap is a binary tree. What is a binary tree? That elementary binary tree where any node can have maximum two children. Okay, that's a binary tree. It's not a binary search tree, but it's a binary tree. Okay, binary search tree means where left subtree will follow a policy that its nodal value will be less than or equal to a less than the nodal value of its parent, and any node in the right subtree will have its nodal value greater than or equal to the nodal value of its parent. So that is the policy which is being followed in the binary search tree. But it's a simple binary tree. Heap is a binary tree, but it is following a policy, some different policy. What is that? The policy is the root node will have a value which is the maximum or minimum in the entire binary tree. That is the property. Okay. So here the root node will contain the maximum value or minimum value in the entire binary tree. So this kind of a special binary tree, we will call it as a heap. So it will look like a yes. So it's a heap. Now, if the root node contains the maximum value in the entire binary tree, then it is called max heap, max heap, or descending heap. And if the root node contains the minimum value in the entire heap, then it is called mean heap or ascending heap. Very straightforward. Okay? So heap, max heap, or mean heap. Now we can represent this heap using an array. Like how? So let's say in an array the index starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. Now suppose you are given with several nodes, root node. Let's say this kind of an arrangement. So this picture, max heap, this picture. Okay. So where the root node is 36. The root node contains two children, 32 and 29. 32 does have two children, 17 and 22. 29, its children are 20 and 28. 17, children of 17 are 16 and 14. One child, left child of 22 is 50. So it's a heap, and more specifically, it is a max heap because the value of the root node is 36, which is the highest among all the node values present in this heap. So it's a max heap. Okay, so it's a max heap. Now, suppose this root node, its index is given by 1. Suppose, assume the index of the root node is 1. Then, ith node, any ith node, okay, in the array will have its left and right child at 2ith and 2i plus 1th position respectively. So that parent, their parent, these are the children. Okay, so any node, ith node means in the array, the index, ith index does have a node, contains some node. That ith node will have two children. Suppose it is having two children, left child and a right child. So which one are the left and right child? The 2ith indexed node and 2i plus 1th indexed node will be the left and right child respectively of that ith indexed node. This is the convention. Okay, and ith node will have its parent sitting at I by 2th index position in that. So let's have a look with an example. Suppose this is the max heap and its corresponding array arrangement will be representation will be like this. So let's say the zero, let's say the one index one is storing the root node, that is the 36. The zeroth index is initialized with some initial value. Let's say 1000. You may put some other value also. Okay, to define that it's not a part of the heap. Okay. So this is the root node 36, and it is sitting at index number 1. Okay. So 2I, so that means its children will be which are 32 and 29. So how can you place 32 and 29 in the array? So if you consider I equal to 1, then 2I is 2 and 2I plus 1 is 3. So in 2I equal to 2, you will place the left child 32, and in 2I plus 1th position, that is index 3, you will place the right child, which is 29. Okay, in this way it will go on. So let's say an arbitrary node, let's say okay, 29. Okay, 29. So I want to place the child nodes of 29 in the array. How can I do that? So where is sitting this 29? It is sitting at index number 3. Okay, index number 3. So I equal to 3. So what is 2I? 2I is 6 and 2I plus 1 is 7. So in 6th and 7th place, left child and right child of 29 should be placed. That is 20 and 20. You can see over here. In 6th position, 20 is placed, and in 7th position, 28 is placed, and so on. So this is the array representation of a heap, max heap or mini heap. Max heap. So if you are given a max heap like this, what is a max heap? Where the root node does have a value which is the maximum among all the nodal values present in the heap. And what is a heap? Heap is a binary tree where the root node will contain either a maximum value in the entire tree or a minimum value in the entire tree. If it is maximum, then it's a max heap. If the value of the root node is minimum, then this heap is called as minimum heap. Okay? So if you are given a max heap or minimum heap, then you can store the node values in an array. And how? This is the process how you can store a max heap elements or a mini heap elements into an array. Okay? So this is a very important concept. Important. Okay. Now we will come to this point. So suppose we want to do the reverse. We are given an array of some numbers, and I want to construct the corresponding max heap or mini heap. Let's say max heap. So how can I do that? Okay, so let's take an example. So suppose this is an array arrangement. Can you see the array?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So suppose you are given an array 7, 10, 25, 17, 23, 27. So 7 is the root node. It is supposed to be the root node. Okay, root node. So if you are given such an array, how can we construct a max heap from here? So first what you will do, you will try to construct a binary tree corresponding to this array. I have not actually taught you the array representation of a binary tree earlier, that much with an example. So with the help of this example, now you will understand how can we construct a binary tree, a simple binary tree from a given array. Thereby you can understand how to represent a binary tree in terms of an array, right? So this is an example where a twofold the example. Okay, two things we will understand. So suppose you are given an array and we want to construct a binary tree. So I know that the first value, 0th indexed value, will be my root node in the binary tree, and then next two values, 10 and 25, will be placed as left child and right child of 7. So far you construct the binary tree, 7 as the root node, and then 10 as the left child, and 25 is as the right child. Can you see this portion of the binary tree? Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So up to index 2 is done. So what are the next two values? 17 and 23. So this 17 and 23 will be the left and right child of this 10. And 27 and 16 will be the right child of 25. Okay. So basically you are taking four values: 17, 23, 27, 16. First two values are children of the 10, and the second two values, next two values are children of 25. So if I construct the binary tree till this situation, the picture will be looking like this. This is very simple logic, constructing a binary tree from a given array: 17, 23, 27, 16. So now who want to tell me this is the logic? So
Sir.
if we follow the next pattern, so next we have to take 8 values, because in this level we have 4 nodes. So if we give them children, and every node can accommodate 2 children, so 4 nodes, they can accommodate total of 8 children. So I need 8 values. So next set of 8 values you take, starting from 19, 37, 42, 4, 33, 0, 1, 5, and 11. 8 values are available. Okay, so you sequentially allocate those 8 values as children to the corresponding nodes. First two values, 19, 37 to 70, then 42, 4 as children to 33, 23, then 33, 0, 1 are children of 27, and 5 and 11 are children of 16. So in this way, we can very easily construct a binary tree from a given array. So is this okay to all of you?
Sir, one question.
Yes.
Sir, should we rewrite the whole array in lemon form?
Lemon form means?
স্যার এখানে 0 দিয়ে স্টার্ট হয়েছে, তো ওখানে কি ফার্স্ট এলিমেন্টটা 7 রাখতে হলে?
হ্যাঁ, রাইট। 7 থেকে ধরবে, 7টা রুট নোড হবে, আর তারপর একটা একটা করে ভ্যালু অ্যারে থেকে নেবে আর চাইল্ড হিসেবে প্লেস করে যাবে।
ওকে স্যার।
তাহলে দেখবে সবসময় একটা কমপ্লিট বাইনারি ট্রি এর মতো করে ফর্ম আসবে। এবার যতদূর তোমার ভ্যালু অ্যাভেলেবল থাকবে সেখানে গিয়ে শেষ করবে। মনে করো এখানে অ্যারেটা 12 ইন্ডেক্স অব্দি দেওয়া ছিল, দেওয়া আছে, 5 আর 11টা নেই, তাহলে এই 5 আর 11 চিলড্রেন গুলো আনঅ্যাভেলেবল থাকবে, সেই হিসেবে বাইনারি ট্রিটা কনস্ট্রাক্ট করতে হবে। বাইনারি ট্রিটা কনস্ট্রাকশনের পলিসিটা বোঝা গেল, একদম ইজি ব্যাপার। সিকোয়েন্সিয়ালি পরপর বসিয়ে যাবে চাইল্ডগুলো।
ইয়েস স্যার।
ঠিক আছে? Now you can see this is a binary tree, but still it's not a heap. Why? Because because the root node value does not contain a value. Root node does not contain a value which is a maximum or minimum in the entire data structure. What is the maximum value present in this entire tree? What is the maximum value? Node value
42.
in this entire tree data structure?
42.
42. And what is the minimum nodal value present in
1.
this entire? 1. So is 1 or 42 is located in the root position?
No sir.
Then it's not a heap. Okay, so I want to construct a heap, let's say max heap. How can we do that? This is the ultimate thing which we will understand in today's lecture. We have to readjustment the places of the nodes to bring this binary tree from form into a max heap form. How can we do that? This is very important. Very important. Okay. So what we will do is so this 7 corresponds to level 0. 10 and 25 corresponds to level 1. This is level 2 and the leaf nodes are of level 3. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So you start from level 3 and target level 2. What does that mean? So in level 2, 17, 23, 27, 16. So consider first 17. Compare the value of 17 with the values of its children. Our goal is to place the maximum value in this part of the tree. What is the part? 17 and its two children. What is the maximum value in this portion?
37.
37. So how can we do that? First you compare 17 with its left child. 19 is greater than 17. So you will swap them. What you will do? You will swap them. Your goal is to place the maximum possible value in the parent position. Okay. So you are comparing the parent with its left child. Child is having a greater value. So their positions will be swapped. Then you are comparing uh, then you are comparing 17 and 37. Okay, so
सर 19 और 37 होने
হ্যাঁ
স্যার 19 আর 37টাকে করবো তো?
বলছি বলছি কি কি বলতে চাইছি দেখো, সেটা হচ্ছে যে you are comparing 17 and 19 and then you are comparing 17 and 37. So by these two comparisons, to find a maximum among three numbers, you require two comparisons. First, you will compare 17 and 19. Then you will second comparison is 17 and 37. So from these two comparisons, you will find that 37 is the maximum. Once you find the 37 maximum, then you swap the parent and their children. So 37 will replace 17 and 37 will come in the position of 37. So the picture will look like this. 37 coming here, 17 coming. Similar process you are applying on this part of the subtree. 23, 42, 4. So what will be the case? 42 will come in the place of 23. My 42 and 23 will be swapped ultimately. And then 23, 33 will be swapped. And then here 16 will remain at its position as it is, right? Because 16 is the maximum among 16, 5 and 11. So after readjustment in level 2, this will be the picture, the left picture, left hand side, this portion. Is it correct?
Yes.
Is this okay to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
सर I to scroll
This is called level 2 adjustment, readjustment. Now we will repeat this readjustment technique in level 1. How? So level 1 means the parent nodes are 10 and 25. So with respect to first consider 10. So you are finding maximum between 10 and 37 and 42. Which one is the maximum?
42.
So 42, you will try to swap 10 and 42. So 42 comes in the place of 10, 10 comes in the place of 42. But this is not done yet. When 10 comes here in the place of 42, then again you will do the readjustment. You will check whether 10 is the maximum among this 10 and its children. Is 10 is the maximum value among these three nodes, 10 and its children?
No, sir.
Which one is the maximum?
23 is the maximum.
So then 10 and 23 will be swapped. So ultimately, the picture will look like this. Is it okay now? 42 comes here, 23 comes here, 10 here. Similar process you will apply on node 25. So what will be the situation? Who will explain what will happen? কে বলবে কি হবে?
স্যার লেভেল 1 টা
হ্যাঁ 25 এর ক্ষেত্রে যদি আমি রিঅ্যাডজাস্টমেন্ট করতে চাই তাহলে কি হবে, কি ঘটবে?
স্যার 33 আর 25 স্ওয়াপ হবে।
বেশ, তারপরে আর কিছু?
Then sir we have to check that whether 25 is greater than its child, that is 27 or 21 or not.
হ্যাঁ তাহলে আর কিছু হবে?
তো
Sir,
তখন আবার
27 to
25 and 27
দিয়ে swap
swap
হবে।
হবে। Yes sir,
Yes.
yes.
So 23 and 25 will be swapped. Then 25 and 27 will be swapped, and ultimately this will be the picture.
Yes
So
sir.
this is the level 1 readjustment. বোঝা গেল? Level 1 তার মানে পুরো লিফ লেভেল অবধি যাবে, লাস্ট লেভেল অবধি যাবে কিন্তু। ঠিক আছে? যদিও লেভেল 1 এর উপরে করছো, দেখো লেভেল 1 রিঅ্যাডজাস্টমেন্ট মানে লেভেল 1 এর উপরে কি আছে সেগুলো নিয়ে আমি কিছু ভাবছি না। লেভেল 1 থেকে নিচে যা হচ্ছে পুরো জিনিসটাকে মানে রিঅ্যাডজাস্টমেন্ট হচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে? এটা হচ্ছে। এরপর আসছি লেভেল 0। লেভেল 0টা কে বলবে? লেভেল
স্যার বলবো?
হ্যাঁ বলো।
স্যার 42 and 7 swap হবে দেন।
বেশ, নেক্সট আর কিছু?
দেন স্যার লেভেল 1 টাতে তারপরে চেক হবে, দেন 7 and 37 swap হবে in level 1, and then লাস্টে 19 and 7 swap হবে in level
Yes.
2.
So the picture will look like this: 42, 37, 19 and 7. And just have a look and check whether this is forming an heap or not. And max heap. Is this a max heap?
Yes sir.
Is this a max heap?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
The root node contains the maximum value.
Yes sir.
হ্যাঁ max heap এ সরি শুধু রুট নোড হচ্ছে ম্যাক্সিমাম ভ্যালু বা মিনিমাম ভ্যালু হোল্ড করলে হবে না, তোমাকে এটাও চেক করতে হবে যে জিনিসটা আমি বললাম যে রুট নোড ইজ সাপোজ টু contain the maximum or minimum in the entire tree. So that is true for all other leaf nodes. See here 37 and 33, these are the leaf nodes. So 37 should be the maximum among its entire subtree. 33 should be the maximum in the entire subtree, its corresponding subtree. Similarly, 19 is the maximum among this small subtree. 23 is the maximum among its in its entire small subtree. Similarly, 27, 16. This is max heap. Which সবথেকে কম ভ্যালুস গুলো থাকবে একদম নিচে মানে লেভেলে, তারপরে যেটা তারপরের থেকে বড় ভ্যালুস গুলো থাকবে তার ঠিক উপরে, তার উপরে ভ্যালুস গুলো একটু বেশি হবে, তার উপরে লেভেলে ভ্যালুস গুলো আরেকটু বেশি হবে। যত লেভেল উপরের দিকে যাবে তত আস্তে আস্তে ভ্যালু গুলো বাড়তে থাকবে, এটাকে বলে ম্যাক্স হিপ। আর মিনি হিপের ক্ষেত্রে ঠিক উল্টোটা, যত আস্তে আস্তে উপরের দিকে যাবে তত ভ্যালু গুলো আস্তে আস্তে কমবে, আলটিমেটলি রুট নোডটা সবথেকে কম ভ্যালু স্টোর করবে। এটা হচ্ছে ম্যাক্স হিপ বা মিনি হিপ। বুঝা গেল? তাহলে হিপ দেখতে পারবে, আইডেন্টিফাই করতে পারবে ম্যাক্স হিপ বা মিন হিপকে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yes sir.
ওকে, ঠিক আছে তাহলে তাহলে এই পর্যন্তই থাক আজকে হিপ কনস্ট্রাকশন ফ্রম আ গিভেন অ্যারে and max heap and min heap concept. আমি আজকে max heap করলাম, same is applicable to min. Any doubt?
স্যার মেইন হিপে মানে স্যার মেইন হিপে স্যার রুটের ভ্যালুটা সবথেকে ছোট হবে তাই তো পুরো ট্রিতে?
হ্যাঁ
স্যার নোটসটা একটু দিয়ে দেবেন।
হ্যাঁ
Yes
notes টা
sir,
দিন।
নোটসটা দিয়ে দেবেন।
ঠিক আছে, আজকে টপিকটা ভালো লেগেছে?